Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well and the sun is shining for you, because today it's not shining for me. It's quite cloudy. Today I'm going to Montreal. I know that's very out of the blue. Last minute trip planned, I think a few weeks ago, and I haven't packed at all. Nothing is in a suitcase. So I wrote out a list of everything that I want to take or I plan on taking so that I'm a little bit more organized. Let's decide some outfits together. But first, I gotta go to the mall because there's an outfit I have in mind and it needs a certain type of skirt. So we're gonna go get that. And maybe a belt. A belt to accessorize. And you guys are gonna be helping me pack. Hi guys. So I'm back from shopping and I couldn't find the skirt that I want. But I think I can make other skirts in my closet work. Let's see what I can come up with. First, I really need a coffee. If you're ever wondering how I make my coffee, that's how I make it. This just hits. It hits. It's everything that I need. Say hello. Let's get packing. Okay, so here is the first outfit. Do you like this? Okay, no. So this is outfit number one. It's an H&M Basics dress. I like it because the sleeves are long and it still gives you that shape. Like that shape, adds that shape. Paired it with this brown belt from Dynamite. I got it today. It was $19.95. And then I'm pairing it with my black heeled boots from Aldo. This is outfit number one. This is a maybe. I'm not quite sure if this will work because the skirt is just a little too short for my liking and it's a bit tight. I haven't worn this skirt in a while, so I've gained a little bit of weight. This is the outfit. You can see the skirt is quite short, so I'll definitely need to wear something underneath if I plan on wearing this outfit. Wearing it with my white sneakers and maybe some necklaces. So that's a potential outfit. This is the other skirt that I'm thinking would probably work actually better. It's this silk skirt from Aritzia. I just think it works so much more better with this sweater. I've tucked it in, but I can always untuck it as well. I think by tucking it into like my bra area, it gives that sort of look that I'm trying to go for. I think this is cute, and I'm thinking this would just be nice to wear with some sneakers. So number two. Okay, so this is the third outfit idea. It's this matching set from Oakandfort. It's a cute button up top. The collar is white. I would want to pair it with the black boots, or I can even pair this with a cute pair of white sneakers. For accessories, I have a cute pearl necklace. So this is the third outfit. Okay, so this is the fourth outfit idea. Not sure if I'm gonna pack this one. It's this fun orange and white checkered skirt with a long sleeve shirt from H&M. These long sleeve shirts from H&M are honestly the best. They feel like butter. They're kind of like the silk, the skim style fabric. And this one was only $14.99. So definitely a steal if you're looking for like dupes of skim stuff. Paired with this white long sleeve and this sweater from Aritzia. These are some of my basic outfits. Going to be packing some of these, not all of them, but the jeans for sure, and the white top. So here's number one. Just blue jeans, a white shirt, and then this cardigan is from Little Mountain. It's one of my favorite sweaters. It's a cropped sweater, and it's really cute, and I can pair it easily with some white sneakers. Another basic top with jeans combo. Jeans, by the way, are from Plenty, and this shirt is also from Plenty. It's cute. It has little cuffs, and I kind of like to put it a little bit up just so that's not completely down. So this is this top. So this top is similar to the one before, but it's my favorite, and I'm definitely taking this with me. Like this dainty, it's a little bit see-through, but if you just wear like maybe like a new bra or something, it won't show. And then there's like little cuffs at the top right there, and it has buttons. It has a little design here, so it like cinches here, and it like gives you a curve, or at least like it gives you some sort of shape. So I really like it. I'm definitely going to be bringing this with me. This is the last basic outfit, and I saw this in store and I needed to buy it. It's this color. It's like an orangey, like an orange pumpkin color, very dark, and it's a bodysuit. So I paired it with my mom jeans from Zara, and the top again is from H&M. It's that Skims feel, so it was definitely worth it. If you want dupes, go H&M. I will be pairing it with this coat, which I will be wearing on the airport, so I don't have to put it in my suitcase. This is a full fit. Those are all my outfits for Montreal.